walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad.
How's everybody doing? So this is just a little bit of a channel announcement that I feel I don't want to leave people in the lurch. For those of you that are wondering why the content is slowed down a bit and everything, just let me give you a little bit of context and I'll tell you what my plans are moving forward. So this layout has a long ways to go to me, and it's a long-term project. So just because I'm taking a break doesn't mean that the project is over. I have expansion plans. I have so much more to do on this layout in the way that I like to model. However, when I started this channel, was like officially the channel was in 1921. So I've been going solid for 5 years. Okay, so I need to take a break. And what I mean by a break is I need to take a break from the railroad. Like in the sense that what I've been doing lately, just like every day, almost like editing, modeling, like producing video. Like a lot of people don't realize, like I know a lot do, but there's also a lot of people that have no idea what it takes to make videos consistently in the way that I have the last, 4 years. In fact, last year when I took a break, I announced it in the spring, and then I had people say things like, oh, that's it, I'm unsubscribing, I'm leaving the channel. So you can do that. Like you can do whatever you want. Like YouTube is full of content. You can leave, unsubscribe, like I don't care, you know? So like I appreciate people that subscribe and support this channel, but I can't like bear the burden that you might have because you don't understand what it means to keep increasing the quality of content in this particular genre, which is what I want to do and which is my long-term plan. So going forward, normally like it has to be the practice where I have a way of managing like my health. So like number one, I'm not burned out. I never burn out in this hobby. I've had a passion since I was a kid and it's never stopped. But you still have to manage your time. Like I have a real job too and a family. So what I'm going to be doing this summer is working on other projects. So when I mean take a break, I mean like I'm going to model other subjects that I love to do. Like I don't just do model railroading like I do for the most part when it comes to the art of the diorama and trains historically and prototypically. But I love to model all other subjects as well now and again. Sometimes I like to just throw together a kit just over a weekend or just paint something completely different because I know it all pertains to bringing more quality and fun and fulfillment to River Road, okay? So this is that announcement. So you can go where you want. It's a free, YouTube is free generally, and I don't charge membership like some channels do. So, and I don't plan to do that but I want to offer the best quality content, like audio, visual, everything, as I've said before. But I do need a break from this in order to do that, okay? So bear with me. I'll be back like I pretty much normally am, maybe just Sunday. Like I'm going to try to focus on just doing content once a week on Sundays, but I always drop a video or a surprise video now and again. I try not to be predictable. So I'm going to keep modeling. Whether I share those projects, I don't know. Like I might. I am producing video on them, but I don't know if people that watch this channel would be interested in the other subjects that I do. I don't know. You'd have to let me know in the comments below. So that's something that I'll think about. However, River Road continues to grow. It continues to mature as a railroad long term. Like this is a long-term project for me. So it's my Waterloo, if I can say that. So I've been building up for it, my whole life, and I'm quite comfortable in it and enjoy it immensely, okay? And I also enjoy all of you and all the support that you've shown in the comments, and just really like outstanding, mature, subscriber base like that I've ever seen. So thank you so much. I'm not going away. I'm not burned out. I'm just taking a break, and I'm modeling some other subjects just to refresh and complement my skills because they never end. Like the curve never ends, the learning curve. And we're always gleaning more skills as we practice and paint and build other subjects with the one main primary project in mind, which is River Road. So thank you so much. I hope that you have a great summer. Happy modeling, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Foolish lies, foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. Well, I said goodbye.